Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about how to open a YouTube channel. Go into the phone settings and select the YouTube app. You could check, you see I already have one, so you can click on that one and they will show you the different accounts. The main thing is having Google accounts. You will tap on the Google account if you don't have one already. Select the name that you want people to see on YouTube. This name should be short and precise so that people can easily find you on YouTube. We are going to use trending events. The main thing is not about creating as very many channels as possible. As you have seen, the main thing is having a niche that you can always post in so that you gain a lot of views and you make a lot of money. So you select on create channel that you've just seen. They will take you to your page straight away because you will have selected the channel. Now you'll put the description. What will your channel be talking about? You will describe your channel, what you will be posting, maybe on depending on the time basis. It's all about you, the time that you want to be using. Make sure your description incites people to watch more of your videos and also subscribe for more videos. And about YouTube, it's consistency. If you cannot post as many videos as possible and of right content, then you better leave YouTube because you will be wasting your time. Continue and put the right description that can talk about your channel in the best way. And after doing that, you will have to find out other things about YouTube so that you develop your channel. Make sure you can also invest in that channel because it's a business. In the end, you will want to earn from the channel. So you will have to invest in, like buying new cameras, having a better phone that can shoot well, and learning more on YouTube. So you see they have brought us back to our channel. You'll click on this icon that looks like a video so that you upload a video on your YouTube page because it's already created. And they will bring you options either to record, go live, or select in the gallery. And we are going to select in the gallery. We take this of 30 seconds. And then we shall write the title. Make sure your title is eye-catching. And after writing the title, you write the description, what the video talks about. And then you click on the right hand corner icon, the blue icon, for uploading. And it will be straight on YouTube for people to see. You can now invite other people, other friends from social media, from everyone. Tell everyone that you have a YouTube account so that they subscribe and watch more of your content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because we post new content all focused on developing you into a better person. After doing that, you will be done with creating a YouTube channel. You can now go back